So last week, this light was flashing on my dashboard. Service battery charging system. This message displays if there is a problem with the battery charging system. This also activated the battery saver active. This message displays when the system detects that the battery voltage is dropping below expectations and the battery saver system starts reducing certain features of the vehicle that you may be able to notice. Basically, it's like running on emergency power on the bridge of the Starship Enterprise. Now, I knew it wasn't my battery because just last week I had tested the battery with this Viking battery charger maintainer. These are inexpensive things that you should have in your garage in case your battery is running low or you think you may have a problem with the battery. This will help charge the battery and maintain it to make it last longer. Now, this will not check the alternator. You can get these inexpensive alternator testers on Amazon for less than $20. Keep in mind that this will test and not charge or maintain anything. So my mechanic friend calls me and says, hey, you have a choice. You can get a used remanufactured alternator that comes with a very limited warranty, I think like 90 days. Or you can get a brand new alternator with a lifetime warranty. The difference was $100 more. Is it worth getting a remanufactured or a new alternator? I guess the question is, do you want to get stuck on the road again? I decided to go with a brand new alternator in my GM Saturn vehicle. The vehicle has been reliable. I kind of wish GM still made Saturns. The Saturn was probably the most reliable division over the years. Anyway, the alternator was installed at a total cost, parts and labor, of about $500. Unfortunately, this pretty much broke my budget for buying wine for the next couple of months. So the only thing getting juiced will be my car and not me. So if you're a mechanic and you have any advice on batteries or alternators, please post them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video if this prevents you from breaking down on a highway.